Hello, I'm Santo and I will take you through how to make money on YouTube. YouTube has been one of the best platforms for content creators who provide solutions to their viewers and audiences. Also, these platforms allows anyone to create and share content to the world. In return, he or she earns income. We see a content creator making content, then gets paid. Let's look at the steps to make money on YouTube. Number one, you need electronic devices, either a laptop or a smartphone. A camera, this is for accessing internet connection and shooting videos. Two, you need a software or alternatively an app. This is for editing your videos, like video editor. There are many on Play Store or App Store. Then you need also a YouTube app which you can download on App Store. You have a YouTube Studio app. These all are for uploading and editing videos on YouTube. Number three, the element of content creation. Here, this requires some element of creativity. There are many types of content you can make. You have songs, motivational talks, you have drama, you have shooting movies, comedy. It depends with the area that you have chosen. Number four, you need to understand your audience needs. Ensure what you're offering has value to your listeners or audience. Number five, we have the payment. Here, YouTubers have to meet a threshold. This is a must. 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Then you link with the Google AdSense account to start earning. Number six, you can sell digital products like ebooks or consultancy services or coaching services. That is, if you have one, you can share the link on the description below so that your audience can see. Number seven, you can decide to be an affiliate marketer. Then affiliate marketing, you can share a product link and earn some commission whenever any sale is made via that particular link. Now, selling of digital products and affiliate marketing is one of the best earning methods, especially if you are a young YouTuber. As your channel grows by time, you only need some patience and consistency. Otherwise, thanks for watching. That's all we had for you in this video. You can also check other videos to learn more various businesses in this channel. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share not to miss out whenever a new video is released. Bye bye.